Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this Fly Girl fall bob. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Samsbeauty. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video.
Think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. The away list got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in all stuff.
Okay divas, so I know some of you guys are like, girl, you already did this wig, but I got a lot of requests like on Instagram because they saw that post and they were like, oh, how come you didn't do the red one? And I was like, I don't know, I just picked the one that I thought you guys would want to see, but apparently I was wrong. But I'm so glad that I have the opportunity to try it today thanks to Samsbeauty. But I really like this. I feel like this is the definition of fly girl fall hair, okay? Like I'm gonna start like my little series of fly girl fall hairs, okay? And this is the first one. Like I have some coming for you guys, don't even worry about it. But this is the first wig that I want to put in my fly girl wig list, okay? Like, because this is just so, like, look at how perfect the cut is, like, and look at how perfect this color is. Like, tell me this is not giving you a fall realness. Like, this is fall realness. Like, this is fly girl fall hair. Like, look at this. Like, you know, hot girl summer is over, but now we are on to fly girl fall, and this is serving all the looks. Like, this is just so freaking cute. Like, I already thought of like different looks I can do this hair with, like, for the fall, and it would just be so freaking perfect. Like, this is so cute. So yeah, you guys already know Bobby Boss always comes through. If you guys want to see my full review, I will have it linked down in the description box below. I'll also try to remember to place it in the cards as well, but I will try to make sure I go ahead and I have it in the description box so you guys can see my full-on review. I did do a different color. I did, like, it was like an icy cool tone color, and that one was gorgeous as well. This one is gorgeous just the same. And yeah, I really love this wig. I just wanted to fulfill my promise. I told you guys that I would try it in the red. I got a lot of requests on Instagram like, why didn't you try the red one? Like, you guys were, when I posted that video, you guys responded to my story and was like, you should have tried the red one. So here I am with the red one, okay? Like, and I'm so glad about it because this is definitely going into my wig arsenal. Like, so yes, this is just gorgeous. And look at all that body. And just look at the color, look at the roots, just look at the fly girl, okay? Like, look at this fly girl for fall, okay? Look at her. Anyways, if you fabulous divas want this unit, I will have it in the link down in the description box below. Definitely pick her up from Samsbeauty. And also Samsbeauty also have your other beauty supply store needs, so definitely check them out. They are a amazing online beauty supplies, so definitely check them out. They have all kind of stuff, and they also have other units, so definitely, you know, put this one in your cart and then look at a few other units. I will have the direct link down in the description box below. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you are going to get her, or what's your favorite fly girl fall wig, like, or what you think will give you fly girl fall vibes. And and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.